Lowercase letter Q, you're going to make a circle and a line right in the middle. I'm going to do it again. We're going to make a circle.
All right, do it. Okay.
Okay, quiet. I don't care what you want. I'm going to do whatever I want.
In the air, wings provide lift to keep the bird airborne. The wing is curved so that air has a greater distance to move. They also lay hard-shelled eggs. Birds are endothermic, which means that their body temperature
You can draw pictures to help. There were 5 birds, but 2 of them.
Good. What number is that?
3.
Okay, take away 3 petals. 1, 2. All right, so Axel, how many petals do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what number do we put there?
5.
Good. Go ahead and put it at the bottom.
We have left. So can you show me number 1? Good job, Evelyn. Let's cut 1 square.
Here, hold it down. Smash it down. You gotta smash it down with your paper.
Teacher, I did it.
Okay, put it down here.